Cams, thank you. Makasih, Cams. Woo, Happy New Year here in Philippines. Had to escape the safety of my room because stray fireworks were flying to my balcony. Mood. Be careful, fireworks. My mom has always been like, if I see you playing with fireworks, you're dead. So I was like, okay. Because, like, we saw too many news about, like, people getting their hand cut. Oh, this might be brutal. Getting their hands, like, cut off from playing with fireworks, so I don't play with those stuff. Technically not allowed to. Iya, daripada beli kembang api mending martabak. Betul, mending beli ayam penyet. Guys, 7 menit lagi loh. 7 more minutes. Can you remind me when it's 1 minute, please? Can you remind me 1 minute, Zeta, please?